Welcome to the class, my dear students. In today's lecture, I am going to explain you about the normal distribution to solve the problems under the normal curve when the mean and standard deviation are given, how to find out the area. So under the standard normal distribution. So let us now solve this problem. What was given here is a manufacturer produced the bolts that are specified to be between 1.19 and 1.21 inches in diameter. If the production processes results in a bolts normally distributed with mean 1.20 inches. So what is the solution? How to solve this now? The mean is given as 1.2 inches and then 1.2 inch, and then he has given you the standard deviation as 0.005. This is what mu and sigma are given. What is the formula for standard normal variate is given by z is equal to x minus mu over sigma. So what is now he has asked you to find out the probability, the area between 1.19 and 1.21 inches diameter. So our job is to find out the probability between 1.19 less than x less than 1.21. So this is how much is the probability you are going to find out. The question actually is what percentage of the bolts will not meet the specifications. So under this specification, how much is the area occupied means will not meet means 1 minus of this area gives you will not meet the specifications. So this is what we are going to do now. So when now we are going to find out what is the value of x when x is equal to 1.19, what is its corresponding z value. Our job is to find out. So here when x is equal to 1.19 and mu and sigma, the value of z is given by x minus, that means 1.19 minus mu is 1.2 over sigma is 0.005. This is the value of z. So let us do the calculation, and if you do this, then you will get the value of z as minus 2. And when x is equal to the other end is 1.21 suppose, and then the z value is given by 1.21 minus 1.2 over 0.005, and this value is positive 2. Is equal to positive 2. So what you can say about this probability lies between 1.19 lying between 1.21. The x variable, normal variable, is same as the standard normal variable z lying between minus 2 and 2. So this is what our job to find out now. What is this area under this standard normal curve? So what is z is equal to minus 2 means z equal to 0 is here, z equal to minus 2 is somewhere here, and z is equal to 2, let us say somewhere here. And now the range between z equal to minus 2 and z is equal to 1, z is equal to 2. So this is what you are going to find out, the area between this whole thing. So this is what the area, if you find out. The area apart from this is what are the specifications which doesn't meet means the area which is other than that. So in between minus 2 and 2 our job is to find out. Now one thing is here, since the curve is symmetric, how much is from 0 to 2 is same as the same area is from 0 to minus 2. So what you can say here, this is nothing but probability of minus 2 and less than z less than 0 plus probability of 0 less than z less than 2. And since it is of symmetric, we can even say that it is the probability of z lying between 0 and z 0 and 2, twice of this. So now let us see what is that area. That means how much is the area occupied from 0 to 2. That means we have to see in the normal table what is the value at 2. So let us now see that is at 2 the value is given by 0.4772, correct? 4.7772. Let us now see this. 0.4772. So it is twice of 0.4772, and that gives you 0.9544. So this is saying that the diameter 1.19 and 1.21, it is meeting the specification. So that is 95% meet the specifications. Meet the specifications. So what we need is, which is not meeting the specification, is how much. So now, therefore, what you can say, 1 minus of, therefore, 1 minus of 0.95. So that means 1 minus of 0.95 means 0.05 nearly. 0.9544 it is, right? So let us write down the whole thing only. 0.9544, and that gives you 0.0456, correct? So this is not, that means 0.0456 means, what is that percentage is 4.56 percentage will not meet the specification. So this is what the question asked, meet specification. So most of the students will do the mistake where after finding out all this, what was asked actually will not meet the specifications. If you forget this, then you will be losing the marks. I hope you could understand this. Thank you.